Hey and welcome to a new vlog. Today we are at the Disneyland Hotel here at Tokyo Disney Resort, and in this resort review we will give you a tour of the whole property. We'll show you the different dining options, we'll give you a room tour, as well as all of the different amenities. We can't wait to share it with you, and it's time for an adventure. The Disneyland Hotel opened in 2008, and this is classified as a deluxe type of hotel here at Tokyo Disney, which means it's going to be one of the more higher price point hotel options. The hotel is located steps away from the Disneyland theme park, and then there also is a monorail station right outside. We'll talk more about getting to and from the theme parks after. But the hotel is going to have a Victorian style atmosphere, and it's going to be similar to some of the other Disneyland hotels located around the world, such as those in Hong Kong Disneyland and Shanghai Disneyland. And with the hotel, it does offer a variety of different types of guest rooms. So you'll have standard guest rooms, concierge rooms, suites, and then there are a variety of character themed rooms. So the characters can be Tinkerbell, Beauty and the Beast, Cinderella, or for our stay, we went with the Alice in Wonderland themed room. For a tour of our room, when you first walk in, on the left-hand side here is the bathroom, and it is a split bathroom, so you have the shower tub area with a door separating it, the sink and counter space in the middle, and then the toilet with a door separating it on the other side, which we love for getting ready. Directly across from that is another space where you can get ready, so it's going to have a countertop, a stool, and then also a mirror. There's lots of closet space and other amenities in the room as well, which we'll show more of in a little bit. But coming into the main bedroom space, you have the TV on one side of the room with a couch, and then the two beds directly across from this. The room is classified of accommodating up to 4 people, but we thought that the room had a ton of space, so it had plenty of space for our luggage to be able to sit and relax. And there also is that table directly by the window as well, so all of that is absolutely amazing. The size of the room was great. Now heading back into the bedroom, just some more details. They do provide some amenities in here, which I'll show more of, but this is a better idea of that door. I love the Tweedledee and Tweedledum on the door. And then you have the shower, and they do provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. There is a large mirror, again, very helpful for getting ready. And then here is this little seating area directly across from the bathroom. With all 706 guest rooms at the Disneyland Hotel, they all have some character details, but the character classified rooms go kind of above and beyond. So I love all of the Alice in Wonderland touches that they have in here. There's artwork on the wall, which is great, but then you also have little details like the clock right above the TV is so cute. So a lot of really great, amazing details here. They do have other amenities such as pajamas provided for you to use during your stay. There is a hot water kettle and coffee and tea in the room if you would like to use those. The slippers are provided as well, and you could take those with you if you want. If you don't use them during your stay, those ones you are allowed to take with you. And then there is a mini fridge in here, but they have so many amazing amenities that you can take as kind of souvenirs. So my favorites are going to be, I love the postcards, and especially I love these bags. Now leaving our room, let's make our way back down to the main lobby floor, and this is going to be the floor that you first enter into when you arrive at the hotel. To get down, we are taking one of the beautiful elevators that are located right here in the lobby, and I love that the elevators also have some Disney details in them. But on the main floor that you first arrive at in the hotel, there'll be a bunch of useful places you can go to. So for example, they do have luggage storage. So if you arrive early, or if you're leaving your bags, want to leave your bags on the day you check out to go to the theme parks, there is a luggage storage here that is included complimentary. There is a desk for check-in, of course, and then there is also a desk where you can purchase park tickets. So if you want to just grab your park tickets when you get here, they are guaranteed for hotel guests, so it's very easy to get them right at the hotel. And then exiting out the back of the hotel, this is going to be how you will get to the theme parks. So for the Disneyland theme park, it is incredibly easy. You'll just exit out that door, you'll come here, it's maybe at most 3 to 5 minute walk, and then you'll just go right under this monorail station and you're at the Tokyo Disneyland theme park gates. So very, very easy. For getting to the Disney Sea theme park, you'll go on the monorail, which you can see right there. The monorail is incredibly convenient, so you'll just take this around, and again, the station is very close to the hotel, so getting to and from the theme parks is very, very easy. And then for some other amenities that are located at the hotel. So right along the backside of the hotel, you can access a bunch of different of the amenities and shops, one of which is Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. So if you have a little one that wants to get dressed up, you can make an appointment or also inquire about availability when you're here. But again, this is gonna let the little ones be dressed up as prince or princesses if they would like to during their trip. So this is really nice that they have this right at the hotel for anyone interested. And then also right off of the main ground floor level, you'll have the shop. So if you're looking for a souvenir, you can come in here. Not only do they have a variety of the merchandise that you can find in the theme parks, but they do also have some merchandise that is specific to the hotel, which I absolutely love. So again, if you're looking for something fun to take home to kind of commemorate your trip, I definitely recommend stopping in the shop. The other shop that they have here at the hotel is Looking Glass Gifts. This one isn't going to be as much of a souvenir shop, but instead this is more of a convenience store. So in here they will have toiletries, so if you need sunscreen or face wash or toothpaste, they do have that provided in here. And then they do have a variety of food items, so if you want any bottled drinks or grab-and-go sandwiches or salads or chips or candy, they have all of those type of items in here. So again, if you need anything quick as a grab-and-go item, this is a perfect thing to have right at the hotel. The Disneyland Hotel also offers a variety of dining options. So you have the Dreamers Lounge, which is probably our favorite of the options. It serves breakfast, it has lunch and sweets midday, and then dinner and cocktails at night. Our favorite is going to be the afternoon tea, which is absolutely amazing, but we also do enjoy the bar if you just want to stop in there and grab a drink. You can make reservations ahead of time or inquire about walk-up availability when you're staying at the resort. If you're looking for a larger meal, you have Sherwood Gardens, which is going to be a buffet-style restaurant. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and the menu here will change throughout the year. So if you're thinking of coming, I would just recommend looking at the Tokyo Disney website prior to your trip to see if it's something you're interested in. And then lastly, you have Kana. This is going to be more of a formal sit-down dining option, and the theming is inspired by the red Kana flower. So again, if you're looking for more of a sit-down meal, they serve lunch and dinner here. For some final amenities that are available for guests staying at this hotel, one of them is laundry. So if you're looking to do laundry during your trip, all you have to do is scan your room key, and then they do have several washers and dryers that are available here for you to use. There are also pool facilities, so if you're looking to swim while you're here, you can go outside and use the Misty Mountains pool. When we were here, it was a little bit cold, so the area was closed, but if you're here again during the warmer weather, that is an option for you. And then they do offer a home delivery service, so if you have any items that you would like to ship home, you can come right to the hotel and inquire about that. And then they do also provide a room that has baby care. So if you have a little one, before you check in or check out, that is available. And then lastly, there is a smoking lounge located right on site. So if you or anyone in your party does smoke, they do have this area available to use as well. I want to share our overall thoughts about the Disneyland Hotel here at Tokyo Disney. We absolutely love it. Definitely one of the biggest perks is how close you are to the monorail and especially the Disneyland theme park. It's really easy to leave the park, come back to your resort, take a break, head back out. So that is an awesome aspect. It also has a lot of different restaurant amenities. So if you want to come back here, get afternoon tea at Dreamers Lounge or just come and relax, that's also really nice. But thank you so much for following along with us, and we can't wait to bring you on another adventure soon.